Come to the next topic, students. Spectrochemical series alone. Let us see here because you should know about which is strong field ligand and which is a weak field ligand. Here I have pointed out in black color CO is greater than Cn minus. These two are a strong field ligand and NO2 minus nitrogen donor and here oxygen, orthophenyl and dipyridine, ethylene diamine and amine and the pyridine both are equally strong full ligand and EDTA also strong full ligand and isothiocyanate it is called a thiocyanate KN it is strong full ligand all the blue color I have mentioned nitrogen donor and this is called a carbon donor. This is nitrogen donor. And next red I have written it is all oxygen donor, water, oxygen donor, oxalato, O2 CO2 2 minus oxalate it is OX oxalato NO3 minus nitrate ONO2 minus nitrate oxygen donor sulfate SO4 O is the donor OSO3 2 minus and hydroxido and nitrito KO oxygen donor and even here also oxygen donor. When we compare to this OH minus and water both are a oxygen donor but H2O is a strong field than OH minus and the carboxylate so this is called carboxylate or COO minus that is we can write a OCO2R. O is a donor atom and carbon atom CO3 2 minus so OCO2 2 minus carbonate and urea content NH2 CONH2 so O is the main donor. So what O all I have written in a red color so it is called oxygen donor. This is carbon donor first priority. Second priority, nitrogen donor. Third priority, oxygen donor. And then fourth priority, so it goes to the sulfur content, SSO3, 2 minus thiosulfato. And then halogen, fluorido, F minus. Next to fluorido, it has a acido, N3 minus. And exception here, this is thiocyanate. It is called thiocyanate KS. So it is approximately equal to chlorido Cl minus and last bromido and iodido at the center it comes between a bromine and a chlorine that is chlorido and bromido it has a chromate. So what this is OCr O3 2 minus CrO4 2 minus supposed to be oxygen is the donor. So for oxygen and oxygen all red in color and nitrogen all blue in color and carbon is a black in color and S in orange in color halogens are in a green in color and nitrogen acido is a nitrogen content so I have written same blue color. So here that is increasing like this. So here it is halogen at the last so I have written X and then after halogen, sulfur is come, so I have written yes. Then after sulfur, oxygens are there. Next I have written O. And then nitrogen and pyridine, this P, phosphorus, this is called as approximately equal. No? I have written phosphorus and here it is a carbon at the first. I have written here last. Actually, this is a strong field. Here in generally, I have written X is called halogen, green color, and O is called oxygen content, O, red in color, and nitrogen all in a blue in color, carbon in black in color I have written. So it is a weak field ligand, it is a middle field ligand, this is strong field ligand, and it is very strong field ligand. So we can remember this XONC. X is called Xavier ordered noodles and chicken. So what Xavier ordered noodles and chicken like that if you remember we cannot change this order. So here I have written introduced a sulfur as well as a phosphorus. So what phosphorus and a nitrogen approximately equal. So what Xavier suddenly ordered noodles, pizza and chicken like that you remember. Xavier halogen suddenly sulfur donor ordered oxygen donor noodles nitrogen donor phosphorus pizza phosphorus donor chicken carbon donor. So next, in your question contains the ligand in the letters of C, N, O, F, P, S. I mean carbon family, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. In a second period, it is gradually go like this. Carbon family has no. Nitrogen family has phosphorus. Never people ask simple biryani I said to remember. Then for oxygen family, I said other student says teachers are problem and the fish cannot breathe in air for a halogen, I said. So this is a halogen family at last. Carbon family is the first priority. In nitrogen family 2, so 2, 3 give the number. In oxygen family 2, so 4, 5 you give. And last one is halogen gives 6, 1. So here from I minus to H2O is called as a weak ligand and thiocyanate, isothiocyanate NCS minus to CO are called as a strong fill ligand. From NCS minus to CO is a strong fill ligand. From I minus to water is a weak fill ligand. So these from I minus to water or weak field ligand from NCS minus to CO are called as a strong field ligand. So this is the concept of separating strong field ligand and a weak field ligand and spectrochemical series. I have given a full series. I have given in a short lyrics. In 5 I have taken. So CO carbonyl, CN, cyanido, NO2, nitrito, KN, and orthophenyl and dipyridine. So CO, coconut, CN, can. Coconut can delivered in night to OP, orphanage in DP end road. For EN, ethylene diamine, I have taken end road. So coconut can delivered in night, orphanage in DP and Rhoda. Next up, NH3, PY, I have not changed any order. Next to EN, NH3 and PY both are approximately equal. NH3, PY, EDTA, NCS minus, H2O here, National Highway Player. EDTA ended. National Highway Player ended near CS Road to drink water. So National Highway Player ended near CS Road to drink water. Next lyrics is for oxalato, that is OX, and it is called nitrate NO3, that is ONO2 minus, and sulfate SO4 OSO3 2 minus, hydroxido OH minus and ONO nitrito KO. So owls in night have super hyper power on site on site in night because it is called a nitrito. So I have written night. Owls in night have super hyper power on site in night. Then this is carboxylate. So I have taken Karnataka. Don't see K Karnataka. It is a C. It is funny words only we are writing. So write as it is carboxylic acid Karnataka. Carbonate 2 minus should come here. So here it is a carbonato. So it is called CAR. Karnataka CAR. Urea user went to. It is thiosulfate S2O3 2 minus thiosulfate. So what Tanjavur with family. Karnataka car user went to Tanjavur with the family. So next N3 minus, this is last one. N3 minus is azido. So I have kept the name of azida. So azida is called azido. Then thiocyanato, this is called thio. Thaya, we can say it is called Thayo. So Thio is the name, and Cl minus chlorido I have taken Clara. So three names I have chosen: Azida, Thaya and Clara. From chromate I have taken Chennai. They bought brownie, I mean small basket cake, brownie and ice cream. I for ice cream, B or for brownie. So what? Azida, Thaya and Clara from Chennai, they bought a brownie and ice cream. Thank you, students.